Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today on the channel we're looking at these, the 160mm or 6-inch cable cutters from CK. These are pretty much the go-to side cutters for most electricians, and strangely I've never had a pair of these in all the time that I've been doing electrics. These are a very good quality pair of cutters, and they were on sale recently for about £16 on Amazon. They're now back up to £19.50 or thereabouts on Amazon, but if you have a look in Screwfix and certain other places you can get these quite cheap. So I'm going to open up the box. Now, inside of these I have a very razor sharp set of jaws and a smaller set there. This is for cutting the cables and this is for stripping the cables. You see it's the same on the other side. These are not VDE insulated. It's one of the reasons I've never had a pair, is because usually I use VDE side cutters. That's just how I learnt to cut cables. However, I'm going to demonstrate these and how effective they are. So I have here a piece of 2.5mm 12.5. I'm just going to cut through a piece of this with these cutters so you can see how sharp they are. These ones are a bit stiff because they're new. They cut through that, no problem. That is unbelievably sharp. That's such a clean cut on there. So I'm now going to strip down this cable and show you how effective these can be for doing that once you get a bit of practice with it. So you just chop the cable open, pull your earth out, there, like so. You can use that to then pull down the cable. If you want, you can also, once you get good at this, just use it to score the outer sheathing of the cable. And pull the earth down. That then leaves a nice clean cut. Then when you're ready to terminate the ends, you can literally just take these little grooves, put them against your cable, apply a small amount of pressure, just turn it round, and you can actually feel it cut through the sheathing on the cable. And then just push it off. Same again here. Slight bit of pressure, cuts through, give it a little twist and push it off. And it's that simple, and you can do that with ease pretty much no matter what the length of the conductor is. Look at that, nice and easy, slides it all the way off. It's unbelievably sharp and very effective. This is my first time using these, so obviously I'm a little bit rusty, but once you get good at using them, they are very, very effective. They also do these in larger sizes, so these are the 6-inch, I think they do them in 9 and 12 inches for larger diameter cables. These are an excellent set of cutters. I will say one thing, out of the packet these are a little bit stiff. A little bit of practice to get used to using them. Once they loosen up they should be great. There you go again, lovely clean end on the cable. So that's all for today's video. Nice short and simple video. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was of some help to you, please give it a like. If you have any questions about this tool or any other tools, please leave a comment down below. And please remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.